Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to KICKnology. It is your boy Truth. Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing a very dope Air Max 90. I am sad to say this did not come up into my size. This was a late exclusive. So today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Air Max 90 Happy Pineapple.
We got fat, we got juice, never slack on the proof. For OGs in the youth, you can kick it with us too.
Now CC, we got the answer, but faith is important.
Okay.
Bo knows the answer, taught us to cross Jordan.
Okay.
When we crossed Jordan, the nation went bonkers, redeemed us, and now we compete under armor. Believers and warriors, golden like Curry. Got favor, no worry, just Jay up and bury. Just Jay up and bury, come up and be faithful. But my brother still hit me for my Chuck Taylor technology. This is not astrology.
So let's go ahead and jump right up into it. As you guys can see the box right here, it is a different box. It's not just traditional Air Max 90 box. And it says right here, Move to Zero is Nike's journeys toward zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of the sport. So as you guys can see right there, these shoes are eco-friendly, I should say. You know what I'm saying? Move to Zero. So that's what the whole concept about this is. It says the women Air Max 90 LX. This is a size 12, which is a 10.5 in men. This is not my personal pair. Got it from my boy. Retail was $140. You feel what I'm saying? No paper in the inside of the box. I think they did away with that for the whole eco-friendly stuff. So let's go ahead and get right up into the shoe. On the hang tag of this sneaker, as you guys can see right here, it says made with at least 50% recycled content. So you know what I'm saying? This shoe is absolutely dope. I will tell you guys this: if you have dirty hands, if you do not have COVID-free hands, you know, hand sanitized, do not touch the material on this sneaker, man, because it is very likely to get dirty. Kind of like a linen cloth. Reminds me of the material on the Air Jordan 1 KOs. But better, you feel what I'm saying? So as you guys can see right here, the thing that stands out the most on this sneaker is going to be that pineapple on the tongue of the Air Max instead of the traditional Nike Air right there, which is very dope. On the back of the sneaker, it has this bamboo looking Malibu type material right there on that booty, looking real nice. We have the white back here with the linen color right there, and they have these hints of this summer vibes. You feel what I'm saying? You have this mint green color and this fuchsia pink right here, and yeah, man, you have this bamboo looking Nike swoosh right there. And on the interior of the shoe, it is the exact same thing. You have the hints of the green right here along the eyelets, and then you have a off-white air unit right there. On the bottom of the sneaker, we do have that cork looking material on the bottom of the sneaker. Very dope. I really like the way that look, because y'all know I'm a sucker for gun bottoms, and it kind of resembles that gun bottom right there. And then on the inside of the shoe, you see right here that it is it does have that same insole right there, which is real soft. I feel like they really did the right thing with this. So as we look onto this Move to Zero type thing, white flat laces, as you guys can see right there, it's really just all about, you know, recycling stuff and reusing it and making something dope. Salute to Nike for being eco-friendly. So this one is, I think these things are numbered, as you guys can see right here on the toe box. I don't know if that's gonna focus, but right here, this is number 94430. As you guys can see right here, it says it in there, product number 94430. So yeah, man, these shoes sold out ASAP. The resale form is not that crazy, so if you are interested in getting yourself a pair of these, you can still get them right now. It's not, they're really not going for that much, you feel what I'm saying? And they probably are gonna restock them, I'm pretty sure. But salute to Nike for giving us dope shoes for the ladies. They did have some Air Max 95s also in 97s, if I'm not mistaken, with the Happy Pineapple theme. So y'all go ahead and check them out. But y'all let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think? What do you guys feel about these shoes? Did they execute very well? I hope this is focusing for you guys. My camera has been tripping. But yeah, man, y'all let me know in the comment section. I have been extremely sick and congested, so y'all keep your boy in prayer. Trying to get better every day, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in as always. With not being on feet, because like I said, these are not my size. But hey, check out my girl Kicks for Fresh. The link is going to be right here. She has her own feet in some fresh fits with this shoe. Very, very dope reviews here. Make sure y'all check that out. Hey, y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Watch them hands, man. And remember, these shoes behind me, this sneaker right here, is just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. Hit that subscribe button. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.